In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-populate dropdowns in Google Sheets. If you manage lists like departments and want any new item to show up everywhere automatically, this approach uses a dynamic range so you never have to edit the rule again. We'll begin by creating a master list. On a separate tab, such as a sheet named Sheet 2, type all your dropdown options in column A, starting right at cell A1. Put one item per row. This sheet is your single source of truth, so anytime you think of a new option, you'll come back here and add it to the bottom of the list. Keeping everything in column A makes the next step simple and keeps your data organized. Now, switch to your main sheet where you want the dropdowns to appear. Highlight the cells that should have the dropdown, starting at A2 and extending down the rows where data will be entered. Selecting the full range up front applies the same rule to all of those cells in one go. With the cells selected, open the menu and go to Data, then Data Validation, and choose Add Rule. In the criteria area, select Dropdown from a range. In the range field, type Sheet 2 AA. If your sheet is named differently, replace Sheet 2 with that name, but keep the AA part exactly as shown. Using the entire column from A to A is the key to making this dynamic. Here's why that works. By pointing the dropdown to the whole column instead of a fixed slice like A1 to A10, Google Sheets automatically includes anything new you append to the bottom of the list. The moment you add a new option on the master list, it appears instantly in every dropdown that uses this rule with no extra clicks. A couple of tips to keep things smooth. Keep your master list in column A tight and free of stray blanks or typos, since whatever is in that column becomes a selectable option. If you eventually add a header above your list, adjust the range to start from the first actual item. And if you're sharing the file, consider protecting the master list sheet so people only add items intentionally. If you later need to remove an option, just delete it from the master list and it will disappear from the dropdowns everywhere they're used. That's it. You now have auto-updating dropdowns powered by a single master list, saving you time and preventing mismatched categories across your sheets.